A question we receive a lot is how to log into my warranty portal. We want this experience to be as smooth as possible, so we've created this short video to walk you through the process. After you close, you'll receive an email from Warranty prompting you to create your profile. From there, you'll use the email and phone number on file to log in and create a password. If you wish to change your email or phone number, please email customerservice.dallas@chesmar.com. After you are successfully logged into the portal, you will see a button at the top of the screen labeled Submit New Ticket. You will click on Submit New Ticket and enter any concerns you may see with your home, as well as any photos to help further explain the situation. Once you have entered the concern into the warranty portal, you will receive an email or phone call from the appropriate vendor or from your customer service representative. So we hope this video will help you better understand the warranty process.